Hi guys! Tumingin kayo dito. We're here right now in center. OMG! They are there already. Hi there! My Filipina friend visit me home together with his son. And kids are getting bored, so we decided, guys, to come over here and they can play. And later, at least, we're gonna have a coffee in our favorite spot, coffee shop here. Mirabella! Walang tao, dahil. Anong nangyari, dahil? Parang ghost town. Dahil parang ghost town. Say hi, Joanna. You are here in my vlog. This is my friend Joanna. And Mirabella, of course. And Daniel. And Andre, it's there. Hi, Andre. Okay, make. You know, sweetie. Ala, Mirabella. Hula ako, cherka mo ya. Hula ako. Maybe you will fall. Uff. Ang hahaba ng bihis ni Mirabella, no? Parang ano, sabi ni ni Bani, ano daw, giraffe. Si Danko. Hello. Somebody is sleeping. Papa. Oh, Joanna, nakita mo yung bahay na yun? Woods lang yun nung araw. Tingnan mo, ang ganda na ngayon, oh. Yung nandoon. Ay, there's a lot of duck. Ay, Didi. Ay. Ako, Cherka. Danko. Hula ako. There's a duck swimming in the river. Oh, there's a bunch of a duck there. Wow, there are 3 ducks also swimming in there. Ay, oh. There's a lot of ducks this time. Yan. Also there. OMG. Super dami nila ngayon, ah. We're inside now, guys, in the coffee shop, and kids are so busy now playing. Ayan sila. Ayan, busy talaga, oh. At ito naman kaming dalawa, kwentuhan, and of course we're gonna order our favorite coffee. Ayan, selfie muna kami, ah. Ayan. Tingin ka dito, Day. Ayan, selfie. Ayan, twinning kami today ng blouse. Ay! Daniel, you will fall. You will tumbling there, Dole. There's a snake there. Nema terce. Tingnan natin lang yan. Are you enjoying? Oh, yan guys, they are busy eating with their popcorn. And Andre is there and Joanna. So it's 6 p.m. guys na, but still they want to come over here to see all these kids training for soccer. So as you see guys, ang daming mga bata ngayon dito. So they have a training and other kids are playing soccer. Ayan. That is dirty in the trash can, please. Pula ko. Bye for now, guys.